How to connect your phone to Suzuki Baleno Bluetooth. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your smartphone to Suzuki Baleno's Bluetooth system quickly and easy. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First of all, start your vehicle. Ensure your Suzuki Baleno is turned on and in park mode. This activates the infotainment system, preparing for pairing. Step 1. Enter Bluetooth pairing mode on the car. When the middle screen turns on your Baleno, you will see this main menu. Press the button with the Bluetooth icon to enter pairing mode. Step 2. Start the pairing process. Begin the pairing process by clicking this button. Step 3. Display the passkey. Next, press the same button again until the passkey appears on the screen, like this one. Step 4. Connect your phone. Now, on your smartphone, look for Baleno's Bluetooth name and tap it to connect. Step 5. Select the device on the car screen. After connecting, this confirmation message will appear on the screen. Press the same button again to select it. Step 6. Confirm the connection. Then, press the button once more to confirm the pairing. Step 7. Switch to Bluetooth audio mode. Now, press the middle button to switch the car's audio to Bluetooth mode. You're now connected and ready to play your favorite music and take calls hands-free. And here are some additional notes and tips. First time pairing only. These steps are usually only required the first time. After that, your phone should be connected automatically. Clear all the devices. If your car has reached the limit of paired devices, you may need to remove an old connection before pairing a new one. And that's it. You successfully connected your smartphone to your Suzuki Baleno's Bluetooth system. Enjoy your calls and your favorite musics. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this.